Come test drive the 2013 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, sunroof, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.